How to fix camera shutter lags in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on camera. Now click on storage and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option factory data reset. Now click on it and then click on reset. Factory data means it will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.